Hello everyone, this is Deepa here from Alpha Pod and today we are here to discuss about the two most confusing words affect versus effect. Affect is a verb whereas effect is a noun. Affect means alteration, effect means the end result. The synonym of affect can be alter, change, modify and influence. The synonym for effect can be the result, the outcome, the consequence, or the repercussion. Effect means producing change or making a difference. Effect means that it is the end result or it is the outcome of an event or a situation that has created a change. Now, let us consider some examples of how to use the word affect and effect in sentences. Adding salt to the batter can affect the taste of the cake. The volcanic eruption has affected the entire country. Effect: exercises can have positive effect on your health. Computers have had a huge effect on our lives. I hope the session was much clearer. You have understood how to use the word affect and effect.